Once upon a time, in a small village nestled in the rolling hills of a far-off land, there lived a young boy named Timmy. Timmy loved to paint and dreamed of one day becoming a famous artist. He spent every spare moment practicing his brush strokes and experimenting with colors. One day, Timmy's mother noticed a traveling merchant in the village square painting a beautiful picture of the town's main gate. She asked Timmy if he wanted to buy the painting, but the merchant said, "No, thank you. This painting is not for sale." Confused, Timmy's mother asked, "Why?" And the merchant replied, "Because art is not for sale. It's priceless." Timmy was deeply moved by these words and realized that the true worth of art was not in its monetary value, but in the emotions it evoked. From that day forward, Timmy vowed to create art that would move people's hearts and touch their souls. And so, he continued to paint, determined to make his dreams come true.